Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're looking at a beautiful 1970 Dodge pickup truck. As you can tell, she purrs like a kitten.
Isn't it amazing? Like,
so quiet.
Oh, you've seen a newer car sound that good or run that smooth.
Yeah.
We'll walk around it,
Yep.
and then you and I will take it for a ride and show them what it does.
Showing you the beautiful body of this with the wood grain on the trunk. White walls. This thing is pristine.
Listen to it back here. Just the little purr that it had. Can you kind of focus in on that for me?
Super quiet.
Listen to the exhaust. Isn't that great?
It's beautiful.
1970 Dodge D100 out for a little test ride.
Here we go.
She's a 3-speed on the tree, but I gotta tell you, the car rides and drives like a brand new car.
It's very smooth.
I mean, it's amazing how smooth it is, isn't it?
Definitely.
Speedometer works. Obviously, we're not going long enough for the temperature gauge to come on, but the alternator and the fuel gauge do work. I did check the fuel because we put gas in it. Got a nice sounding horn to her. I mean, just what a great parade car. A completely frame-off, restored, numbers matching, all original truck.
It's beautiful.
So we'll spin her back around, Shorty, and then we'll put her up on the hoist, and we'll show off the bottom of this truck because it's as nice as the top.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you.